Today we are going to start about React development, and once again welcome to Democratic Technocrat channel. React development requires you to have some knowledge about advanced HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We cannot cover with the HTML and CSS, but we can surely do some training with respect to the JavaScript. Let's start. Node.js is an environment for running the JavaScript scripts or JavaScript codes. So Node.js can be considered as an compiler for the JavaScript language. First requirement is you must have an PC or laptop or any other device that can run Node.js and JavaScript, and it is a basic requirement to have a 2 GB RAM. And once you have that, just go to the nodejs.org link, and you can see there are three options. If you are a Windows user, go with the Windows downloader, installer using MSI, or you can download the zip file and extract from them. If you are a Mac OS user, then go to the Mac OS binary or installer like package or tar.gz. Or if you are a Linux user, you have to go to the Linux binaries, or a Linux Ubuntu user, then you have to go to the Linux binaries ARM. So ARM is a package end name that is used to download for Ubuntu packages, so you can download that and install it there. Once it is done, you have to go to the another tool that is required for the development or learning of the JavaScript is Visual Studio Code. Of course, you can use any other any other IDEs. IDEs are used for development of software, that is much easier. So because they will be provided with linting, uh, syntax correction, those kind of things, that it is easier for developing in IDEs. So one of the most popular IDE is Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code is from Microsoft Enterprise, so it is freely available in the market. It is also having three different flavors for different operating systems. One is for Windows, and another is for Linux, and the third one is for Mac OS. In the Linux, if you are using Ubuntu, please download the .deb package. If you are using Red Hat or another something like Fedora kind of distros in the Linux, please download .rpm. But with respect to the Windows, it is straightforward. Just download here, download by clicking on this button, or for the Mac OS also it is same thing. Just download the zip file and do the installing. And thank you.